Hey beauties! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a full glam makeup look that's perfect for any special occasion, whether it's a wedding, a fancy dinner, or a night out with friends. This look is bold, glamorous, and guaranteed to make you feel like a star. So grab your makeup bags and let's get started. For a full glam look, we'll be using a mix of bold eyeshadow, flawless skin, a dramatic lip, and some extra highlighter to make sure you shine like the star you are. Let's start with prepping the skin. Before jumping into makeup, make sure to prep your skin. Cleanse, moisturize, and don't forget sunscreen. For special occasions, I love using a hydrating primer to create a smooth base for the makeup. I'm going to use this pore-filling primer to help with a flawless finish. Applying a good primer ensures that your makeup lasts all day or night, and it helps everything go on smoothly. Now for that flawless base, we're going to apply foundation. I'm using a full coverage foundation that's going to give me that airbrushed finish. Apply the foundation in small sections and blend it out using a makeup sponge or brush. Remember to blend down your neck to avoid any harsh lines and make sure everything looks seamless. Next up is concealer. I'm going to apply this one under my eyes to brighten the area and cover up any dark circles. I'm also using it to cover any blemishes and imperfections. To make sure it doesn't crease, I'll blend it out using a damp sponge. And don't forget to highlight the high points of your face, like the center of your forehead, nose, chin, and down the bridge of your nose. Now it's time to set everything in place with some setting powder. I'm using a translucent powder to lock in my foundation and concealer. Gently press the powder into your skin with a makeup sponge to make sure it doesn't move around throughout the day. I'm especially focusing on areas that tend to get oily, like the T-zone. To add dimension to the face, we're going to contour. I'm using a cream contour to carve out my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. After blending it out, I'll follow up with a bronzer to warm up the face and add a sun-kissed glow. Make sure to blend everything really well for that natural, chiseled look. Now let's add some color. I'm going with a peachy pink blush to bring some life and warmth to my face. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending it slightly toward your temples for a lifted look. Next, we're doing the brows. For full glam, I like to define my brows with a pencil or powder, and then set them in place with a brow gel. The key to bold brows is filling them in while maintaining their natural shape. You don't want them too sharp, just nicely defined. Now, onto the eyes. For a full glam look, we need a dramatic eye. I'm starting with a neutral base shadow all over my lids, and then I'm going in with a rich, deep shade in the crease for some definition. Blend it well. Next, I'm adding a gorgeous shimmer to the lid. You want that sparkle to really pop and add dimension to your eyes. And there you have it, beauties! A full glam makeup look that's perfect for any special occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay fabulous!